Are you tired of your PC looking boring and like a mess so that you can find anything anymore? Let me help you out by showing you how you can give your PC this clean black and white look and some cool features which enhance your productivity. In this video, I'll show you how to achieve a unique overlay effect for your clock along with installing a sleek top bar for quick and easy access to key features. Plus, we'll add some helpful widgets to give you instant access to important information, making your desktop both stylish and functional. Now let's get right into it. First, let us start by getting rid of all the messy desktop icons. For that, just right-click the desktop and then navigate to view and uncheck Show Desktop Icons. This is much better now, as you don't need these icons anyways, as you can just search for them. With that finished, we can start cleaning up the taskbar. To do that, we need to go into the taskbar settings, which we can access if we left-click the taskbar. First, hide the search icon by clicking here and then selecting Hide. Now also remove the weather icon by untoggling it in the settings. As the last step, let us center the taskbar icons by opening the taskbar behaviors and then selecting centers. This looks much tidier now, doesn't it? Now for the last simple change, we will get a better wallpaper. If you want to build the setup from this tutorial, go to link in the description to download this really minimalistic free background from FreePix. To install the wallpaper, just click the desktop and then go to Personalize. There navigate to Background and then click on Browse Photos. Now select the downloaded file. With all of that done, we've already achieved a much more organized look. But now let's take it a step further by adding some extra functionalities. For these next tweaks, we'll be using an application called Rainmeter. It's the go-to app for Windows customization, making it super easy to install plugins that enhance both the look and functionality of your PC. You can find the download link in the description. The first thing we'll install is the JackScore plugin. It's a powerful tool that offers a variety of options to customize and enhance your PC. To install it, you just need to run the downloaded file and then everything will be done automatically. Now just follow through with the installation process, which is really simple. Here, don't install anything yet, as we will do that later. Now we can go to the library and select the skins we really want to install. First, let's install the overlayer to get that overlay effect. After that, install the modular visualizer. Last but not least, get the modular clock skin. With that out of the way, let us set up the overlayer effect. To start, we'll need to open the background image and remove the white part from it to allow it to seamlessly overlay on the desktop. This can be done by opening the Photos editor and then clicking on the background removal tool. As you can see, the app already selected the most parts we want to remove, but there are some wrong spots, so let us fix that. To that, open the brush tool here and remove the wrong selection. Now that everything is fixed, click on Remove, then click on Save and select the place where you want to save the image. In the overlayer settings, click on Layering Image and select the edited image. Then just activate the plugin and you can already see this really cool effect. Now we can set up the modular clock. First go to General and select this design, then activate the plugin. As you can see, the clock is white, so let's change that by going into the appearance settings. Here first, increase the size of the clock by typing 1.5 here. Also change the color to black by typing 0.0.0 and change the opacity by typing 200. With that solved, you can place the clock in the middle of the screen behind the overlayer. As the last step, we will set up the modular media player. In the general settings, select this design and activate the plugin. In the appearance settings, let us decrease the opacity again by typing 200 here, and after that, toggle this switch here to hide the player icon. Doesn't this look really clean now? With that step complete, let's move on to installing some more cool widgets. We'll start with the Mi Power plugin, which adds a sleek and functional power management widget to your desktop. To run it, open Rainmeter and then go to the Mi Power folder and run the w+days.ini program. As you can see, we now have this cool power button. Place it in the same spot as I did. Let's proceed further by installing the Monterey skin, which gives even more functional widgets. After the installation, select the blur theme. Then you can choose between a wide variety of widgets. For this setup, I chose the system monitoring widgets. Also, we have to increase the size to large here because that gives us a lot more information. I really like these widgets because they not only look cool but also give you easy access to your system stats, which is amazing. Next, for added functionality, let's install the Drop Top 4 skin. This skin provides a clean and minimal top bar with some great built-in features, enhancing both the look and usability of your desktop. The installation is also very simple. Let me quickly run you through it. First, select English as your language. Then select that the top bar is only on the desktop. Here select the device you are using and also type in the weather location. Now select the Windows icon at the top. After that, select the transparent theme. Now you should be all set. As you can see, the toolbar already looks really clean, but it's too crowded. You can easily fix that by right-clicking the bar and then unselecting the icons you don't like, just like I am doing it here. Now instead of looking like this, it looks like this. Also, I want less items on the left, so to remove them, click on the Windows icon, then go to My Folders. Then click on the icons you want to remove and untoggle the switch Show on Top Bar. Look how this improved the taskbar. As the last change, we will also decrease the size of the top bar. For that, right-click the bar again, and then select Adjust Size and then select Standard 3. After a quick restart, you can see the changes. This top bar looks incredibly clean and comes with some amazing features, doesn't it? With all of that done, we can finally move on to the last step of the setup, bringing everything together for a complete and polished look. For that, we will install the translucent taskbar mod, which further enhances the feel of the setup. After the installation, just run the file. And as you can see, we now have this completely translucent taskbar. Now let us finally appreciate the finished design. Now, not only do we have some sleek looking widgets that enhance the productivity of your desktop, but we also have a unique overlay effect that sets it apart. Plus, the top bar menu gives us much easier access to essential features, making everything more efficient and user-friendly. Even with all of that installed, don't worry too much about performance. As long as you have a decent SSD and a good processor, everything should run smoothly. I even tested it on an old low-spec laptop and the performance was still decent. If you're curious about these tests, be sure to check out my video about it. If you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate a like and a sub.